The Place de la Bastille, located in the heart of Paris, is a historically significant public square that has witnessed numerous pivotal events in French history. Spanning an area of about 13,000 square meters, it stands as a symbol of revolution, freedom, and the pursuit of democracy. The square's name is derived from the Bastille, a medieval fortress that once stood on the site. Constructed in the 14th century, the Bastille originally served as a defensive stronghold protecting the eastern entrance to Paris. Over the years, it evolved from a fortress into a state prison and came to symbolize royal authority and oppression. On July 14, 1789, the Bastille became the focal point of the French Revolution. Fueled by social and economic unrest, the people of Paris stormed the fortress, seeking to free political prisoners and seize its weapons and ammunition. The fall of the Bastille marked a turning point in the revolution and symbolized the end of absolute monarchy in France. Today, a line of paving stones in the shape of the original fortress marks the location where it once stood. Following the revolution, the French government decided to transform the area into a public square. The Place de la Bastille was designed as a symbol of the newfound freedom and a reminder of the revolution's ideals. Architect Pierre-François Léonard Fontaine, along with Jean-Antoine Alavoine, was commissioned to create a neoclassical structure called the July Column, Colonne de Juillet, at the center of the square. The July Column was erected in memory of the July Revolution of 1830, which led to the overthrow of the Bourbon monarchy and the ascent of the July monarchy under King Louis-Philippe. The column stands over 50 meters tall and is adorned with a gilded statue called the Spirit of Liberty. It serves as a tribute to the martyrs who fought for freedom during the revolution. The square itself has undergone various transformations over the years. It was initially a place for public gatherings and political demonstrations. However, in the mid-19th century, under Emperor Napoleon III, it was redesigned to facilitate traffic flow and accommodate the needs of a rapidly changing city. The present-day configuration includes wide avenues radiating from the square, connecting it to other parts of Paris. The Place de la Bastille remains a hub of activity and a site of commemoration. It continues to be a venue for public rallies, celebrations, and gatherings. On Bastille Day, the French national holiday celebrated on July 14, festivities take place throughout the square, attracting large crowds. The open space also hosts concerts, art installations, and temporary exhibitions, further enhancing its cultural significance.